I think it's great. This is my second time here, and as I said even last time, I'm really honored to be here. I think it's a great initiative, and I always feel education is the best thing to create awareness, to solve problems, and cancer is a very fatal disease if you don't figure out at the right time. So I think it's a great initiative, and as I've been saying, health is wealth. So if you don't take care of your health, nothing else in life is worth it.
Yeah, like Jackie said already, it's a great cause why we are here, and I also feel very honored to be part of this because it's very important for women to take that time out and go get yourself checked, because prevention is better than cure, and cancer is a fatal disease. More importantly, women empowerment, everybody keeps talking about it, so it's nice to see a rally with women and by women, so it's interesting, and I'm very happy to be part of this event. See, honestly, I think education is very important. So it's very important that we can educate as many people as we can, especially women in rural areas who are not so exposed to whatever's happening in the society, in the real world. So I just feel education is very, very important for them to understand what's happening all around. Prevention is great, so get yourself checked. So I think this is a great cause, because then we try and tell people that you've got to get yourself checked, because every woman actually runs a house. So for them to be a little more responsible and take care of themselves is very, very important. So I think it's a great cause to be part of.
Keep watching and subscribe to Bollywood Wala now.